Alrighty, so it's late as fudge. I don't know why I just said that. It's late as fuck. My mom's sleeping. So I'm just gonna go over the trade I took today, talk about a little bit of like my mental state during the trade, and all that good stuff. So, first on Forex Factory, it's a Monday, and there's not very much news, but there's still news. So it's not a no news Monday. So, yeah, thinking there's gonna be movement, and yeah, coming into this, I see this daily fair value gap right here. That's what this box is. And I also see daily liquidity here. I didn't mark that out because I didn't think price was going to come down that far. But so yeah, that's all I see on the daily. That's what this is right here. I'll just type in right here. Right. And then on the 4 hour, mark out 4 hour liquidity, which was this, and we had this 4 hour fair value gap right here. And so yeah, and we had this 4 hour fair value gap right here. This fair value gap was bearish, this one was bullish, and there was a reaction off of this bullish one. So I was bullish on the day, just overall, thinking price was going to come up to this area of liquidity, because earlier it was, here, let me see if I can. Yeah. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing on that. There was 4 hour liquidity here, but that got swept and broken above, so I didn't measure that out really. On the hourly, let's see here. Yeah, on the hourly we had this liquidity here. This hourly fair value gap, I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. And this right here, I guess, and yeah, that's basically it. So I was looking to take longs up to this area. And let me go back in my sorry, I sound a little sick. I'm not, but I'm just tired. So I marked out market open right here, 9:30. And honestly, this is where the trade went wrong, is the past like 3 weeks I've been on like a crazy win streak. I don't think I've lost a single time in 3 weeks. There's just like a break-even trade in the past 3 weeks, and that's where I think it's hardest. If you did get to that point, I think the hardest part about staying there is what you're going to do is you think you're really good at all of it, and so you think you can modify the rules to your trading plan because you're so good at it, you just think you know what you're doing. And so you modify the rules to the trading plan, and it ends up like, yeah, you don't hit the trade because you're not doing your trading plan. So yeah, basically I just need to remember, like, if I'm on a crazy win streak, that a loss is coming, and I need to stick to my trading plan because I can't be all like arrogant if I'm up all this and all that, because really it can just be taken away just like that. So I just need to remember that for my hair is chopped. Jesus. I just need to remember that for like future trades, I guess. Like, win streaks don't mean you know what you're doing. You can have a win streak your first week of trading and think you're really good and then have a year of losing after that. That happened to me a while ago. I didn't have a year of losing, but yeah. So that's what I'm seeing on the hourly as of right now. Then we've got the 30-minute, 15-minute, kind of this area too right here, I guess. Could be like considered a like a bull flag, I guess. Okay, right, so right there, price breaks up out of the flag. That's just like a pattern, and comes up. And so yeah, basically, here's the part also where I went wrong. I'm just like thinking to myself, I've won all these trades in the past, so why wouldn't I just win the trade now? I don't need my trading plan, so I'm just going to trade without it. And clearly that's not what you should do at all, but that's what I did. We can keep going through this. I was waiting for a pullback, and I ended up like, I ended up taking a trade like right here is where I put the buy position, just because I was seeing all the wicks. And that's basically it. That was basically my whole confluence. And I put it right here. And my stops here, and I was targeting this. I think my stops might have been a closer actually. No, it was a 1 to 2. No, maybe it was this, and I entered off of a different candle. But anyways, I'll just get rid of this. So yeah, and as you can see, I'll just play this through. I wouldn't have got stopped out, but like right here I took out, or no, down a little. Right there I took out for minus like $3,000, just because I didn't, it just wasn't a good trade. I wasn't feeling it, which is also emotional with me. I just need to let the trade run. But that's the thing, when you don't follow your trading plan, the emotions are a lot heavier. And maybe, yeah, like definitely if you don't follow your trading plan and you just enter a trade off some stupid shit, obviously you're going to be fearful that the trade's not going to hit. Like, that's just common sense. Versus if you did follow your trading plan and you did wait for a good setup and you took the trade. I've been in situations like that, and when price is going down to my stop loss, I'm not fearful at all, and I have confidence in it because I waited so long for the setup. So yeah, I just need to definitely just take more time with the trading. I probably shouldn't have even traded today. I definitely shouldn't have. There was no liquidity sweep. Even if price isn't a clear uptrend and you think it's going to go up on the day, you need to have a liquidity sweep. It's just the strategy and how that works. So yeah, right there I got taken out of the trade for like $3,000. I can put this in 10x, and you'll actually see where price ends up going, but it takes so long into the day, right? Like 11 is when I stop trading. Holy crap, let me pause this. So yeah, I would have hit take profit. I would have hit the trade and made the money, but I didn't because I just was emotional, one, and the reason I was emotional is because I didn't follow my trading plan. And I didn't follow my trading plan because I thought I was too good because I was on a crazy win streak, and that's not how the trading stuff works at all. I just need to remember that for the future. So yeah, going into tomorrow, hopefully it's better than that. It will be better than that, and better doesn't necessarily mean making money. Sometimes better can mean just not trading. Sometimes better can just mean simply like not trading that day because you didn't see a setup. So yeah, I mean, like right here on the hourly, market opens like right in between those. Honestly, the only good trade I would have taken that day is if price came down to this hourly fair value gap, or this one, which it never did, which that one's small, or on the 4 hour. Yeah, it comes down into the fair value gap, which is basically the same as the hourly. And price never did that, so honestly, I shouldn't have traded today. But that's what happens when you trade on the days that you shouldn't be trading, stuff like that. You lose money. That's why staying out of the markets, trading on the A+ setups is where you're going to make money and where you're going to be the most confident within yourself in the trades. So yeah, that's basically it for today. Going into tomorrow, I'm definitely just going to be more patient, actually wait for the strategy, wait for something to happen within my daily bias, and yeah. I'm just going to look at these. I haven't looked at. I am for real. Never. So yeah. Hopefully, I know this is really just for me talking to myself about, like, it's good for me just to talk out loud and manifest things. But yeah, tomorrow I'm definitely going to do better, follow the trading plan. The news tomorrow, same as Monday. So kind of no movement. As you can see, like throughout all of market today. Let me mark out. Right, 9:30 was here. Okay, this is when market opens, and this is when I stop trading, is at like 11 or 11:30, just because that's when price gets really. We'll go 11:30. I'm sorry. Like really, honestly, that happens right here. This little move up. Um, this little move up, and then like the rest of the day, kind of just all afternoon, price stays within this whole range for the entire day, and that's what happens when there's not a lot of news going on. Mondays are just generally slow, so I should definitely de-risk on Mondays. So going into the next week, yeah, I'm definitely gonna remember that. And yeah, that's basically it for the trade recap. Stopped out minus $3,000. Can't do anything about it, and we'll learn from it. So yeah.